Okay, this is 7th grade literature, and we should be on page 124, and we are on the story Two Legs or One. So our essential question for this story is, what can blur the lens between what's real and what's not? So let's go ahead and start with this quick start. I did not put this in your e-learning lesson for today, but I would like you to put the quick start answer with your Google Doc for the questions on 1 through 3. What can motivate someone to trick or fool someone else? Write down your thoughts in response to this question. Okay, now analyze folktales. Folktales are stories passed along by word of mouth from generation to generation. So it's just a story told out of someone's mouth in their mind. It's not a written down story. Okay? Two Legs or One is a folktale that would have been shared as an oral, saying it out of our mouths, tradition for a long time before it was written down. Folktales vary among cultures, but may teach life lessons about values, such as honesty, or behaviors, such as helping the poor, that are central to the cultures of origin, the culture in which the folk tale was first told. As you read, think about what life lesson this folk tale is trying to teach about values and behavior. In a folk tale, the main character may be a trickster, a character who goes against acceptable behaviors and fools somebody. The trickster's motivate may be selfish or may come from a desire to help others. The trickster may succeed or fail. The trickier may be discovered or it may not. In any case, there is a life lesson to be learned. When you meet a trickster in a folktale, ask yourself, what can we learn from this trickster? Okay. Analyze humor. Like many folk tales, Two Legs or One features humor. Humor is what causes us to laugh or be amused. Humor may come from plot events, characters' words, or language as a writer uses to tell a story. There are some techniques writers use to add humor to a story. They include surprising characters or events. They use extravagation or extreme overstatements. They use irony, a contrast in which the reality is the opposite of what it seems to be. They choose words that create amusing mental images, and they include clever and insightful dialogue, talking between two people, right? Okay. Humor can influence the mood and the tone of the story. Mood is the feeling or atmosphere that the writer creates through the use of descriptive words, imagery, and figurative language. The tone of a literary work expresses the writer's attitude towards his or her subject. As you read Two Legs or One, look for humor in the folktale. Analyze the techniques used to create that humor. Then think about how those techniques influence the mood and the tone of the story. Okay, so you guys are going to be doing Two Legs or One, and I would like you to read the background about the author or the person who retold the story, setting a purpose, and then answer the questions on page 129, 1 through 3, checking your understanding. Okay, thank you.